Hi guys, today I'm taking a look at some training pads that the company sent to me. These are a 50 count and they're 22 by 22. I can tell already I like them because they have kind of a, almost feels like a waterproof on the back side. Some of them aren't like that, so they can end up running, the liquid can run through. So let's go try them in the bathroom where I have my puppy pads. Okay, I've been using these larger pads here. And they're a little spendy, so I wouldn't mind using smaller ones. And also I like the fact that these have activated carbon in them, so it helps absorb odors, which is always a good thing. I put these up the side of the tub because I have boy dogs and they like to lift up their legs. So and these have the little sticky tabs on them, so I can just peel that tab off and stick it right to the side of the tub. So I'm liking that. Anyway, that's how I do it. So I hope that was helpful. And there's Luigi already waiting for me to leave the room so he can try them out.